You've been ruining your skin with fake soap your whole life. Now watch how real natural soap is made. Entering the forest, here we find a special herb, mugwort. We cut it carefully, fill it in a basket, and head home. When we get home, we separate the leaves from the stems. Then we wash them thoroughly in a pot with water until all the dirt is gone. Now all these leaves are put in boiling water in a pot, placed on top of a stove, and then they are stirred well until they boil. That is, they are boiled well on top of a stove. Then they are taken out of the fire, that is, from the water, and put in a very large bowl. They are then placed in a basket to dry in the sun. Some of the leaves are set aside. They will later be used to make an herbal paste. Now, these leaves are put in a stone mortar and pounded. They are ground with the help of a stick until it becomes a dark green paste. Then it is squeezed in a white cloth, and its pure green juice is collected in a bowl. Now, the leaves that were kept in the sun are completely dry. They are also ground into a fine powder in a stone mortar. This will be herbal powder. Now comes the wood ash water. The ash is mixed with water, then strained through a white cloth. This is called lye water or lye water. This was the original basis for making soap in ancient times. Now we use another secret: roasted sea oysters. We place them on top of the coals, and then we separate them from the coals. That is, we remove them from the coals and we bring them and remove the black layer from above them for them. Then we break them by hand. That is, these lumps break. Then we put them in a stonewood mortar and grind them well to make a powder, and this powder is then sieved well. Now, its powder is ready. Now we will add this powder, that is the wood ash, to the water and stir it well. That is, we will mix this powder in this water and then cover it for half an hour. Now, the beef fat is added to a frying pan and heated over low heat until it becomes oil. And then after a while, when its oil is formed, we remove the pan from it and put this fat oil inside a white cloth and filter it inside it. All this oil remains in the fat cloth, and the oil that is formed goes into a bowl. All that is left is a clean and neat bowl. Now we stir this oil well with our hands. That is, we are trying to make it a thick paste. Now we stir it well with the help of a spoon and stir it. Then after a while, at least 10 to 20 minutes, a thick paste has formed. It is already brown in color. Now we place a sieve over this bowl with oil, and inside this sieve we put the same herbal powder that we made the herbal powder in the beginning. Now we sieve this herbal powder well, and now we will add coconut powder in it and then mix it well. Now 3 things have been added in it, and we have to make a paste of them. This is the water from the paste of the leaves that we squeezed out through the cloth. Now we will add this too and mix it well. This water is a border of wood ash and spew powder, and we'll add to it. All this paste is being poured into a wooden mold, and it is being leveled well from above. And after leveling it, we will place it in a good place and let it remain like this for the whole night. Now it is morning time. Now we will lift this mold and take out this soap from this mold. The soap paste is now completely formed into a bar of soap. Now we will cut it into small pieces with the help of a cutter. And this is it. It's not just soap, it's the wisdom of nature. It reminds us that cleanliness, beauty, and healing have always been hidden in the hands of nature.